REXON ZYL series on-load tapchanger online oil filter unit is mainly used for bypassing oil circulation filtration of transformer on-load tapchangers. REXON on-load tapchanger online oil filter unit will be used in conjunction with the transformer on-load tapchanger. It can effectively remove impurities such as free carbon and metal particles in the insulating oil of the on-load tapchanger under the normal operation of the transformer system and can reduce trace moisture to ensure the breakdown voltage and life of the oil, thereby reducing the number of power outages and maintenance, extending the maintenance cycle, and effectively improving the safety and reliability of the on-load tapchanger. REXON on-load tapchanger online oil filter unit adopts Siemens programmable controller technology, with multiple functions such as automatic, timed start, remote control, and alarm. For more details, please visit www.rexonop.com, and here is our email sales@rexonop.com. Thank you.